Such a girl thing. 哇，看了，我看，哇，这套，你看，我操 ！Hello，Hello， 哦 ，Hello, Amber. Stunning, 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 stunning. I don't know what else to say. Guys, check this guy out, the bold guy. He's basically sitting in between the two barrels. From this direction, it seems like he's taking a shower. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Global Hopper. Want to see Biscuitin FAIRYTALE styled little village? Right, let me show you what FAIRYTALE looks in real life. Let's go. Okay everybody, this place is called Rothenburg in the middle of Germany. I've been here several times myself, but it's the first time with Amber and my wife. Yeah, well, let's go and explore this absolutely fairy tale of a town together. Okay guys, look, I love the gates in Europe, especially in Germany. Absolutely love them.
Look at the cobble streets and the gate behind me, because it looks a lot like we're time traveling back in time, like back in the medieval times.
Medieval Germany.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
Look, Amber and my wife and her mom have discovered two sparrows. Like, they have never seen sparrow in their life. Hello! Hello! Oh. Hello, Amber! That's so cool. Wave, wave, wave! Ah, got a golf cart coming through. Wow, look at this balcony. It feels like the Romeo and Juliet in Italy. Same sort of balcony. But here in Rothenburg, there is a iconic or most famous part of Rothenburg. If you Google Rothenburg, that part will come up. It's basically a building divided the road into two. Looks absolutely stunning. So this is where we are trying to locate. So yeah, let's go. Pink house, how cool is that, guys? So FAIRYTALE means not only the pink houses, but also yellow house, as well as this absolutely stunning greenhouse. How cool is this one? Seriously, I love it. Guys, we have now arrived at the central Piazza Square. This, I believe, is the town hall. Hey guys, this is one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. So if you are in Frankfurt, do not miss out Rothenburg. It's about an hour, 50 minutes drive, depending on how fast you want to go. The village is closer to Nuremberg, so you can fly directly to Nuremberg if you prefer, and it only takes about 40 minutes or so, an hour max. Much of the motorway from Frankfurt here is without limit, so you can just light fly, just completely light fly. I've rented an Audi A6 3-liter quattro, and that thing flies, and we've been doing easily 120 miles an hour on the motorway. Sunday mornings there's no traffic, so we got here in about an hour and a half from Frankfurt instead of an hour and 50 minutes or 2 hours. This bear is bigger than Amber. He's 180 or 6 foot over. The wife and Amber has discovered cuddly toys. Such a girl thing. Oh, 看了，我看。哇，这么胖！你看，我操！ Guys, I haven't been speaking very much in this area. I don't know what to say. I'm running out of adjectives to use. Look at these two. They have discovered more toys. Wow, those are so cool. Very Christmassy. A jumping frog. Oh, cuckoo clocks. I want one of these. Everyone, now if you Google Rothenburg, this is the landmark that you will see, guaranteed, many of them, and I'm standing right in front of it. This is simply one of the most beautiful spots, not only in this city but perhaps in all of Europe. So let me turn the camera around and show you. Look at that, guys. This is stunning, 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 stunning. I don't know what else to say. Simply stunning. Okay, guys, check this guy out, the bold guy. He's basically sitting in between the two barrels. From this direction, it seems like he's taking a shower. Not shower, sorry, beg your pardon, bath in a wine barrel. This is so cool. He's the Lmark today. Okay, guys, we're really lucky. Just before we taken all the pictures we require, we got the tour group. Look at that. So yeah, so we successfully escaped the tour group, but this is not the end of the video, far from it. We're gonna go explore the central plaza and also all the side streets around it. So please stay tuned and follow us along. This is absolutely fairy tale personified. Let's turn right, and check out the colorful houses. Guys, by the way, I did a walking tour of Rothenburg. That video is without any commentary from me or anyone else. And it was sunny at that time, so make sure if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description, so check them out. Amber, what do you think?
Yes, really, it's like a fairy tale.
It is like a fairy tale, isn't it? And you saw some souvenirs you want to buy, or chocolate.
Yeah. It looks like a rock.
Okay, guys, so Rothenburg, I keep adding S for some reason. Rothenburg is also a famous wine producing location in Germany. You can see the vineyard in the center of the screen. The air here smells so good. Wow. I love this dividing the road into two. Give you a choice. Oh my gosh, guys. I've just seen Prince Frog. just there to show you. Hey guys, I found a place full of lanterns above the street. You can see it behind me, but in front of me is even prettier, so let me show you around. Oh, the sun is out, guys. I can't believe this. The sun is out. What the hell? Lucky, lucky man. A lot of Japanese here. What do you think of this place so far?
I think it's really good. It's leaving a good impression.
Good impression. You've been to places.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. That is the end of this episode. I hope you have liked Rothenburg as much as I love it. And if you ever in Frankfurt or Nuremberg, please make sure you have extra time to pop in. It's not a big place. If you're going to have lunch here, it takes about 3-4 hours is more than enough to enjoy this absolutely most stunning place.